Chapter 3: Spacetime and Nature. Why humans are shaken within spacetime rather than nature. Humanity's original nature is close to nature itself. Nature does not force, and it does not cling excessively. However, humans are born within spacetime. Within the limitations of time and space, humans become beings who collide, lose, learn, and grow. Spacetime causes humanity to experience uncertainty. Time teaches waiting. Space creates comparison. Relationships continuously reveal the inner structure of human beings. Within spacetime, humans encounter their own limitations. But spacetime is not a world of punishment. Spacetime is a field of learning. The inner structures that remain hidden in nature become clearly revealed within spacetime. Desire, fear, attachment, and loneliness rise and appear within this world. In the end, spacetime does not exist to torment humanity. It exists so that humans may rediscover their own original nature. Question: how are nature and spacetime different? Answer: nature is the original flow, while spacetime is a field where beings learn through limitation. Question: why are humans shaken within spacetime? Answer: because spacetime reveals the incompleteness and distortions within humanity. Then is spacetime a world of suffering. Suffering exists, but its essence is not punishment. It is a world of learning. Spacetime is not a world of punishment. It is the field of learning, existing so humanity may rediscover its original nature.